Hello everyone. Now let me introduce our experienced worker to you. His name is Chao.
Hello.
And he will show you the assembly of piston ring. And here in my hands is the piston ring model ON352, and their diameter is 97 millimeters. Now let's invite Chao to assemble the piston ring.
Okay.
Okay, and we need to check the direction of the piston ring. We have 5 rings in this piston ring, and we need to notice the order of the assembly.
Okay. Top ring. Second ring. Third ring. First ring. Fifth ring. Okay.
Okay, and we need to use the dedicated tool to install it. This tool, we call it calipers. Okay, now we use these calipers to assemble the oil ring first. If we didn't use these calipers, it will destroy this ring, so we need to be careful. Okay, so this is the first one, the oil ring. Then the second, we need to first assemble the spring. Okay. Then we assemble the oil ring on it. If we didn't use these calipers, it may cause some phenomenon like the piston ring will break and fracture. So then, surgery. Next, you need to be careful and check the mark on it. Next, to check the direction of the ring. Then, second one. Okay, the last ring, we also need to check the direction. We just need to check the mark on it.
Okay.
And show you the piston. Okay, that's all the assembly of piston rings.